As you're searching for images to use in your design projects, use Google Images and their tools to help you find the right image that's the right size and is clear for you to use and modify. I'm going to search baby goats, and I'm going to use the tools in Google Images, and I'm going to look for labeled for reuse with modification. Non-commercial is not going to work for our purposes. We want to make sure we are legitimate here, and this is what you want to choose. Okay, so that narrows it down a bit. But if you're also working at a print project, you want to be concerned with size. So I'm going to choose large. You don't ever want to enlarge a small image. And a lot of things on the web are 72 dpi or low resolution. If you take a low resolution image and you try to make it 300, you're going to end up with some very large pixels, and it's going to look pixelated, and you'll get artifacts, and it's not a good look, and it's not going to fly in terms of a professional graphic design product. So at least give yourself the benefit of having large images to work from. And any of these images that fall under labeled for reuse with modification that are large should be a good starting place if you're looking for baby goats. I hope this helped. Thank you.